In what critics are calling a blatant politicization of the pulpit, Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution in Masvingo, Ezra Chadzamira, invaded a religious gathering over the weekend in Masvingo, using the platform to push the ruling party's political narrative. Sabina mashoko buda panguva ino chinokonzi Chadzamira invades Vapositori conference. Chitiko chonokwa kunzi ndo mashoko akamboitwa nelsonchamisa over the weekend. Achiti these guys, they are misusing the pulpits, not for subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina mnamo blanyo kamjit addressing congregants at the Joan, the 5th of Africa International Church provincial conference led by Archbishop and by Makururu. Chadzamira praised the church's strong following and encouraged its members to align with the government initiatives fronted by President Mnangagwa in quotes. Our government has got a very strong relationship with the church, especially our indigenous churches. We recognize the church for its strong following and moral influence. Hence, we call members to be part of the development trajectory being led by our President Mnangagwa, said Chadzamira. Observers, however, have criticized the move, accusing the government of hijacking religious platforms for political gain. With Zimbabwe's socio-economic woes worsening, some see such events as attempts to exploit faith communities to maintain political control, particularly in rural strongholds. Archbishop Makururu responded positively, saying, "As a church, we value the relationship we have with the government. Our church is not only a spiritual refuge, but also a source of livelihood for many." But critics argue the church is being co-opted when ministers show up at church events not to worship but to preach party politics. It becomes clear that the church is being used, said a local observer. Some clergy members have warned that such partnerships dilute the prophetic voices of the church. Once the church becomes an echo chamber of politicians, it loses its moral authority, one pastor remarked. Ndo mashoko ari kuda panguva ine ari kachikomenda pamusoro awa pechitiko chinoonekwa kunzi Ezra Chadzamira anonoinvada Vapositori conference. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kana comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.